From groundbreaking gadgets to revolutionary machines, join us on a whirlwind tour of astonishing innovations that are reshaping our world in the most extraordinary ways. Let's dive in. The Jetson is a Formula One racing car for the sky. A beautiful and lightweight design in aluminum and carbon fiber that is incredibly fun to fly. It has 8 powerful motors, driving an equal amount of propellers. The propulsion system has a massive power output, making flight effortless and fun. The Jetson One has a race car-inspired safety cell that protects the pilot, can sustain continuous flight with the loss of one motor, has an auto land function, and multiple safety features to protect the pilot in case of an emergency. The JB-10 is a jetpack developed by Jetpack Aviation. It was one of the notable jetpack designs in the emerging field of personal jetpacks. Jetpack Aviation, a California-based company, specializes in creating personal jetpacks and other vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft. The JB-10 jetpack is designed to be worn by a single pilot and is powered by jet engines, offering the ability to take off and land vertically. It gained attention for its impressive flight demonstrations, including flights over water and urban areas. Next is the Gravity Jet Suit. Also known as jetpacks or jet suits, were innovative personal flight devices that were gaining attention in the field of aviation and technology. These suits are equipped with small jet engines or thrusters that provide lift and propulsion, allowing the wearer to achieve vertical takeoff and controlled flight. Gravity Industries, founded by Richard Browning, is one of the prominent companies in the development of gravity jet suits. Their suits typically consist of multiple jet engines attached to the wearer's arms and back, providing the necessary thrust for flight. The pilot can control their movement by adjusting the thrust from these engines. These gravity jet suits were primarily used for demonstration flights, entertainment, and recreational purposes. They captured the imagination of many due to their resemblance to the fictional concept of a jetpack. The Jetman Wing, also known as the Jetman Dubai Wing or simply Jetman, is an innovative personal flight system developed by Yves Rossi, a Swiss inventor and former fighter pilot. This system allows a person to fly through the air with the aid of a specialized wing equipped with jet engines. Jet-powered wing, the Jetman Wing consists of a rigid wing-shaped platform with integrated jet engines. Typically, the wing has 4 jet engines, which provide the thrust needed for lift and propulsion. Human flight, the Jetman system is designed to enable human flight. A pilot wears the wing apparatus and controls it while in mid-air. The wing's throttle and control systems are operated by the pilot to steer, ascend, and descend. Alauda Aeronautics is set to establish the world's first electric flying racing car factory in Adelaide, South Australia. Airspeeder Mk3 weighed around 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, and could reach speeds of around 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour. The speeders were powered by electric batteries that could provide 10 to 15 minutes of power. Batteries were intended to be replaced mid-race by pit crews. The Opener Blackfly is an American electric-powered VTOL personal air vehicle designed by Canadian engineer Marcus Lund. It was publicly revealed in 2018, after 9 years of development. The aircraft is intended to be supplied complete and ready to fly, and Opener are in the process of starting production at their Palo Alto, California site. The manufacturer claims that the design is the world's first ultralight fixed-wing, all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Investors in the company include Google co-founder Larry Page. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.